Why did you say they go?
I want bath.
You want bath waiting. You don't know why you go bath. You don't know why you go. You why you go?
I don't go bath again.
Wait it.
I want to go and bath for life.
You know, na lie. You know they go. Na me first. They go bath. Na me first.
Where they go?
What do they go do? Na lie.
You want to bath? Elder, I want to bath. I'm the caretaker. Everybody stay. I want to go.
You are who?
I want to go.
If you bath,
I said I want to bath. That's the
na me go go bath. When I did there, I dey come.
Una no say una own don't finish, ba.
Waiting. Finish waiting.
When I no say una own don't finish, ba.
How you take finish?
Jay-Z.
As I did 17 like this,
Hey, say who dey 17. Say who dey 17.
So somebody even there for okay. Now you explain something. Sis, tell me say me I dey innocently. I don't know say somebody there inside self. You know the bab again. No. Oga Makamata, you are not bab again.
Not the call like that.
Oga Joe.
No be waiting you see where you want go bath be that.
Me I don't know. You for explain now.
Okay.
Tell me say somebody there.
Oh, you be don't know.
Bab then I will.
I mean I think say na waiting you see where you want go bath be that now. Oh yeah. Sorry, go bath. I know you know say I'm the bath in the morning. Okay, now what if you want to be that, ba? Now what if you want to be that? Now I don't get to na plan for this house. I don't get to na plan for this house.
What be my neighbor? Not be my neighbor. The two of una don't old.
What? What did you want to?
Kema, you never owned me.
Can you imagine?
Make you never owned me.
Who?
Make you never owned.
Old for where?
I
Okay.
won't go back. I won't go back.
As Shanky don't come out, if you like, go live there. Go live there. I they go. Nonsense. As you don't come out now, this guy nonsense with that. What type of this? Imagine. Show up. Not even try.
You forget your phone.
Say you carry water. All of us will go bath together.
You don't forget something. I expect you.
They go back, they see you now.
Make you not think like me. Wallahi.
You are not the woman you go see now, you go get attack.